busted knuckles, tire irons to the face, garage rage, spending a fortune at the dealership. Changing motorcycle tires is a nightmare. Introducing the Rabaconda Street Bike Tire Changer, the tool built to make tire swaps fast, easy, and frustration-free. Just set it up, break the bead, dismount the old tire, mount the new one, and get back to riding. No need for opening up the cuss bucket or busting those knuckles with changing tires the old-fashioned way. The ratcheting duckhead of the Street Bike Tire Changer makes dismounting and mounting motorcycle tires a piece of cake. Don't have the garage space for a tire changer? Good news, the Street Bike Tire Changer is portable and lightweight. Get it out when you need to change tires and put it away when you don't. It can even be stored in the included convenient carry bag. Stop getting charged an arm and a leg at the dealership. The Street Bike Tire Changer is an efficient tool that's easy to use and will pay for itself in no time. The Street Bike Tire Changer is available now for $739 during this special TV offer. But wait, there's more. Pair your Street Bike Tire Changer with a motorcycle wheel balancer to have the ultimate at-home tire changing setup. And when you order, you'll receive free shipping.